Parallel parking. When you approach the parallel parking sensor marking, you will get the instructions from the system.
This is the parallel parking test.
While moving to parallel parking, look around for any possible hazards. Position your vehicle close to the yellow line on the right side. The duration of the test is 5 minutes, and the test time starts after selecting the reverse gear. Turn on the right indicator. Check all the mirrors and over your shoulders in both directions to observe the blind spots. Look back through the rear windscreen for the traffic coming from behind. Move the vehicle slowly while maintaining good control. First reference point is when the parking curve disappears from the right side mirror. Turn the steering wheel completely to the right while on the move to avoid dry steering. Check your left shoulder to see any possible hazards. Second reference point is when the left parking corner appears on the left side mirror. Turn the steering wheel completely to the left while on the move to avoid dry steering. Keep reversing until the car is positioned inside the parking bay and stop. Shift the gear selector into P in automatic transmission and neutral in manual transmission, and apply the handbrake. Procedure to exit. After getting instructions from the system,
Exit from the parking bay.
Shift the gear selector into D for automatic and select the first gear for manual transmission vehicle. Release the handbrake. Turn on the left indicator to show your intention to other road users. Check all mirrors and shoulders to observe the blind spots. Move slowly while maintaining good control of the vehicle. As the vehicle right side pillar aligns with the yellow marking line, turn the steering wheel to the right and exit completely. Accident possibilities. Be aware when reversing to parallel parking. Most of the time the focus is on reference points on the right and neglecting the center mirror completely. In this case, you may get involved in a crash with another vehicle approaching from behind.